Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to sell Bitcoin on Cash App. If you're holding some Bitcoin and want to cash out quickly, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there in no time. It's perfect for beginners, so let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. You'll also need to have Bitcoin in your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. If you don't have any yet, you might want to buy some or transfer it from another wallet first. Step 1. Open the Cash App on your device. Once you're in, look for the Bitcoin tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen, marked by a Bitcoin icon. Tap on it to access your Bitcoin balance. Step 2. On the Bitcoin page, you'll see an option to sell. Go ahead and tap that. Cash App might prompt you for additional verification, like a PIN or fingerprint, to keep things secure, so be ready for that. Step 3. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount or your entire balance. Take a moment to review the details, including the current exchange rate and any fees. Remember, fees can affect your final payout, so keep an eye on them to maximize your earnings. Step 4. Once you're happy with the details, hit the Confirm button. Your Bitcoin will be sold instantly, and the equivalent amount in USD will be added to your Cash App balance. Finally, to get your money out, go to the Banking tab in the app, select the amount from your balance, and transfer it to your linked bank account. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear. Pro tip: the crypto market is super volatile, so check prices before you sell to get the best deal. Always prioritize security and double-check for any scams. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.